Hi, Wendy Kirkland here. I'm so excited to be able to speak with you today and introduce you to something brand new that I am doing. I have a new service that trades the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Russell. So that is the Qs, SPY, and IWM. It trades these three indices on a variety of time frame charts. And the reason that that is so exciting is, in a sense, it includes all of the major companies. It includes all of the technology companies that are in the NASDAQ. It includes the stable companies that we all know that are in the S&P, and then it covers the newer companies that are reliable and they now are selling stocks and so on, but they are younger companies. The Russell manages like 2,000 different smaller corporations. So it is a awesome variety of equities that it does not include the Dow. And the reason for that, and the reason I have this here to be able to speak about it, is the fact that, in a sense, the Dow carries all of these others within it. And so it would be a duplication. So what I have come up with is a service that focuses on the Qs, which is primarily technology, the S&P, and IWM, which is the newer companies. So let me take you a little bit further here into a chart and be able to show you. So this is SPY, and this is, again, a daily chart for the equity that we are going to be trading in this service. And you can see that it has for a while been on an uptrend and then has had some little periods, a couple days where it pulls back, and recently it has been flat this last week. So what I have designed is a service that buys calls, buys puts on SPY, and then also the Qs and IWM. Within that service, it comes with a book that teaches you how to read charts, how we are going to be trading these equities, not just on daily charts, but also 60 and 30-minute charts. And so if you look, you can see that this creates a whole different picture. That here it rose one day and then it has been down for 2 days, where on the daily chart it just kind of looked flat. You can see that up, 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 and then 3 days down. So it focuses on a variety of charts. Like I said, I mentioned the weekly, daily, 60-minute, and 30-minute. Let me switch this to the Qs so that, again, that you can see all three equities that we will be focusing on. This is the NASDAQ, the Qs. And so, again, now this is a 30-minute chart. You can see how it's been up, up, then pulled back a couple days, back up again. This creates tradable patterns that you can get into where you're not day trading. You could be in here. This was like a week, 6 days, 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days, down 2 days, and then had some swings. So in addition to EMAs and the simple picture, there is a variety of indicators that are used to help us zero in on supporting the movement. Let me go ahead and put in IWM, so you can see that as well. Totally different picture. Been heading down below the 55, this pink line. Down, 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 down. Again, it trades, and I'll emphasize this again, weekly charts, daily charts, 60-minute charts, and 30-minute charts. And so that we zero in on the patterns that are forming and playing out. You can look back here in the 21st of November through the 26th. Up, 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 up. Went down here from 229 up here to 244. And that is an awesome, awesome move. And then since then, it has been heading down. The EMA's crossed down here and are heading down. And so again, this is all information that is covered. We trade the Qs, SPY, and IWM in a variety of time frame charts. And so it is a lovely, actionable service and covers, for the most part, all the equities within the stock market, but they are consolidated into these 3 ETFs. I'm just excited to share this with you. Hope that it is just perfect for your desire of what you're looking for as far as involvement in trading. And I will see you as this proceeds. Take care. Bye now.